Tuna move pole. Usidongoe bro nyuma yangu.
Look on the sub. Baba.
Look mama.
Hey, Eric Omondi, stai kupatia umbwa tena. Eric Omondi, nimekasirika sana. Umeniomba umbwa zangu jana uende upige nazo show Eric Omondi. Sasa Eric Omondi umeenda umechokesha umbwa zangu, zimekuja zikiwa chafu na ziko confused. Come. Eric Omondi, stai kupatia umbwa tena. Eric Omondi, nakwambia hata ukiniomba stai kupatia umbwa tena. Hizi German Shepherd si cheap, Eric Omondi. Hizi vitu unaenda unachukua umbwa za watu, unachukua vitu za watu, unaenda unaringa, ukimaliza, alafu unashindwa, unaanza kusema ni zako. Eric Omondi, umbwa ni zangu. Na umecheza umbwa na umbwa zangu, umeconfuse, na kutoka hapo unaanza kuleta umbwa zangu zikuwa chafu, hata zingine ziko na viroboto. Ushindwe sana. Eric Omondi, sitaki kupea umbwa tena. Endelea kujichota. Enda utafuta umbwa mwitu uko kwa barabara. Shindwe.
That is Ringtone Apoko right there. And in case you're wondering why it was started, now it started here with Eric Omondi arriving at Butita show that is at Kenya Cinema in Nairobi town with dogs, which according to Ringtone Apoko, kumbe Eric Omondi had hired from him. But well, guess what? He did not know what Eric Omondi wanted to do with the dogs. Yeah, he was as surprised as we were after noticing Eric Omondi arriving with the dogs at Butita's event, which I don't know. Do you believe Ringtone Apoko saying that he had hired dogs, or Eric Omondi had hired dogs from him? Well, go ahead and tell us. Also, tell us what you think about Eric Omondi arriving with dogs at an event, because according to him, he was saying that his life is in danger, and so he has bought, or he has acquired these dogs to be, surveilling the environment before he arrives at the event, to make sure everything is set and secure, which I don't know. What are your thoughts? Go ahead and tell us down in the comment section. Subscribe if you're new, follow me on Instagram, butita.ke, and we'll see you in the next one.